people who are going for videos or shooting, these two things are must. So let me show you this. This is a gorilla tripod which will be very flexible for your shoots, and the other one is Boya by MM1 mic, which will give you very good audio clarity. So let's unbox these two products and see how it's going to work. I have already unboxed the products and I'm showing you now. This is a 12-inch mini tripod, and I got a mount, but I'm not using the mount. I bought another mount separately which is very flexible for my mic and for my phone. This mount is for the mic to fix to that tripod, and this is Boya by MM1 mic with a windshield. And there will be a wire. This wire is for a smartphone, and there will be another wire also which will be used for cameras, but I'm not using no camera, so I'm showing you only one wire. And the bag which I got for the mic is very good in quality. Now I'm showing you the mic. I'm opening the mic because this mic is covered with a windshield. This windshield will provide you good clarity, because when you're doing any vlogs, it will avoid disturbance or wind noise. So this windshield is must, and it is super soft. And now I'm fixing this furry windshield and mic together, and then now I will show you how I'm going to set up all these for a perfect shoot. Now I got this mount separately from Amazon because it will be very good for I could fix both at a time. I could fix a tripod and I could fix a mic also. Now take the mount which was given by Boya by MM1 mic, and then you could see a square shaped thing, right? So fix it properly into it, insert it, and then screw it tightly. And I forgot to mention, the tripod can bear the weight up to 1.2 kgs. And for the mic which I have shown, there is no requirement of external battery, so it is already inbuilt, so no need to put external battery to it. And now coming to the tripod, this is a tough crack resistant and very flexible, so you could mold it into shape, with whatever shape you want. You could mold it and use the tripod. And there you could see the spherical Yuntai bearing. The quality is very strong and flexible, which can be 360 degrees. You could turn it freely. And there is a screw, a universal screw, which could be used for any iPad, iPhone, camera and card machine too. And it is very good for GoPro camera also. So now you could fix your mount to that screw, and see the side which you are fixing, and fix that properly tightly, because if you don't fix this properly, your phone may fall down. So do it with care and tight it. Now you could see the spherical part of the mount. There you could fix the mic. Before fixing the mic, you need to check one thing, because on the wire you could see a label which side to insert a microphone and which side to insert smartphone. So before inserting that, please check it and put properly, so that you may lose your clarity if you go with the wrong side. And now after fixing the wire, now please insert that into the mount. Now I'm using iPhone, so I need an adapter for that. I couldn't directly fix that. Now which you use for earphones, you will be having adapter, right? So put that adapter and then connect with your phone. Next is handle with care and put your phone onto the tripod. Be careful, you may slip your phone. And this is done. Our setup is ready, and this is how I'm going to use. It's very flexible for using for vlogs, and I'm providing the links of these two products in the description box. So if you want to buy, please go check through that, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.